A little chilly outside this afternoon. Cold front moving in. We're going to make brown beans and ham. That's what we called them when I was growing up. I don't think I ever heard the word pinto bean. So we had brown beans and ham, especially when it was a little cooler outside. We're going to have brown beans and ham and cornbread. I'm going to cook these beans in the pressure cooker in the Instant Pot. You can cook them in the crock pot and then crack the pressure on it, and I'll show you all that. Right now what we're going to do is get our beans prepped. So I've got some left over from last time. We're going to rinse them. We're going to rinse them really good, get whatever might be in there. It's a 16-ounce package. That one's going to go through them, and if I see any that look like they don't belong, then I take them out. That one looks a little funny. You don't have to be too particular about this. Run pull-out sticks and everything else. Don't find that too often anymore. Let's use cold water. Rinse them up. Just get any dirt that's on them. Like I say, anymore, you don't have to get too crazy with this part of it. Set that to the side for a second. Plug our Instant Pot in, our pressure cooker. Lid off. We're going to go ahead and put our beans in to the container. Now, I don't know if you can see this mark on the camera. Right there. That's the pressure cooker max, 2/3 full. So we're going to take the cold water to that mark. Where are we at? We are there. We are right at that PC max mark. We're not going to put anything in here right now other than beans and water. Anything like salt or garlic or anything else tends to break the beans down when you're pressure cooking them. So what we're going to do, we're going to make sure that we're sealed. We're going to get down here. It's set pretty much like it was last time. They keep a couple. These have a memory. They keep a couple of settings. We're going to go 40 minutes on normal plus, which is on this particular unit says more. It's high pressure. Alright, this has been running for 40 minutes plus. It's been counting up. Alright, let's see what we got here. Not much pressure. That's the old chef's knife. Ham's already cooked, so we're not having to worry about raw meat or anything. Alright. Sounds like not huge. Maybe no more than a 1/2 inch. Adjustment here. There we go. Okay. Got our ham done. If you do not season while it's pressure cooking. So we're looking pretty good here. Let's get a spoon. A slotted spoon here. Check it out. Yeah. So that right there is the consistency that I would use for my huevos rancheros. We'll do a video. We're going to put 2 teaspoons of salt in here. That's not much. We're cutting down on sodium around here. So. A couple teaspoons of pepper. couple of tablespoons of this minced garlic. And on the Louisiana hot sauce, let's do a couple of tablespoons. There's one. And there's two. And what we'll do, we'll give that just a stir, just like that. We'll go over here and grab our ham and get it in. Try not to splash ourselves. Slide that off of there. This ham's already cooked, so we're not dealing with raw meat. We don't have to be too careful. I'm giving that just a quick little stir. And we're just going to let it roll. Slow cook it for, we got to do at least 30 minutes to get that ham where we want it. Put it back on. Don't need to seal it. We can leave it released up here. No reason to seal it back. Just on slow cook. We'll do 30 minutes there. Works just as good. Muffins are a little bigger in the ceramic one there. Don't spare the pan. There's nothing worse than a stuck corn muffin. $2.50. Okay, $12. Somewhere around there. That's pretty cheap. And this is a lot of food. 2 pounds of beans is quite a few beans. Let's fill this. Let's fill the fancy muffin tin, or fancy muffin, the ceramic one, the fancy one first. Let's get on in here with it. You're going to take and fill these about 2/3 full. Don't worry about getting it on the outside of the cup. You can wipe all that off with a paper towel, or you can just cook it on there if you want. I wipe it off because, especially on that metal one, a little harder to get the cooked cornbread off of the side. So we're going about 2/3 full here with these. I'm just feeding 4 here tonight. So ooh, hey, now we're cooking because we're making messes. Get a bowl. Get some beans boiled up, some cornbread buttered, and some pepperoncinis and cherry peppers going, and hot sauces and all that. Alright, we have finished the cornbread. Took about 20 minutes. Let's see what we got here. Use a spoon. Yeah, that looks good. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Okay, let's dish it up. And normally what I do, and you do you, and I'll do me, is I just put a little corn muffin in the bottom. Just put that, some beans and ham right on it. Ham and brown beans, cornbread muffins. And iced tea. Sweet, sugar-free iced tea. Alright, thanks for watching.